What is up, y'all? Can you hear me? Okay, cool. Back here Friday, closing the week. April 29th. Okay. Bloody day, very red day. You can see everything is red. Most things are red. Dow down 2.77, Nasdaq down over 4%. Yesterday was up about 3 point something, 3.7 or something, 3 point something. Today's down even more. S&P is down 3.63. So yeah, we broke the lows for the Nasdaq and Russell. Let's see. Yep. So we made new lows. I got the notifications earlier today. Okay, zoom out. Let's look at the economic releases. Personal income is better than expected. Personal spending better than expected. Employment cost index lower. Chicago PMI is lower. Consumer sentiment is a little bit lower. Very bloody day. Yesterday was a bull trap, so you don't know how Monday or next week's gonna be, but yesterday was a fake out, you know what I'm saying? Got Amazon from bad earnings yesterday, completely down. Apple was green after hours yesterday because of good earnings, but now it's even lower. Google lower. These are all lower except for Honeywell. And let's go to the full screen. A gold stock, a chemical stock here or there. And Chinese stocks did pretty well today. Chinese stocks were the winner today. Definitely. Let's go. Okay. So for the 29th, we're gonna go with CWEB. Definitely. That includes BABA, JD, PDD, and TESS. These aren't necessarily the winners, but we can go with the market movers. Amazon. Definitely. Not much to analyze here, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. The sectors of the day. Go to the Fidelity sectors. I was saying yesterday, usually when the rest of the world is green, we're green as well, but today is one of those exceptions. We follow Japan a lot. This seems like this is the same number as yesterday. Maybe they're not open yet, but today we're not following. Materials did the best, which is kind of weird to say. No, it's still down. See if there's any global news. Yeah. I feel like we'll find the bottom soon. Today might have been the bottom. You never know. Maybe next week. But yesterday was definitely a fake out. Good earnings only lift the market just for a day or two, then it goes back to the pain. Let's see this Honeywell chart and see if this is at a 52-week high or not. Okay, it's not. The high was last year, 236. So it's just kind of a random stock in my opinion. Not much to analyze, but I definitely want to do the videos daily for you guys. Tesla down still at 800s. So yeah, it is I saw on CNBC that Tesla went down the last week because Elon Musk was indeed selling. He announced that he was selling. I'm pretty sure that he announced he sold. In order to buy Twitter, he had to sell some stock. Apple down. CWEB is the only green one here on this list. Twitter's about flat. Even Robinhood was green in the day, and then it went red at the end of the day as well. So you have the VIX Interest rates did not change much. The VIX is very high. The highest was in January, but we're getting very, very, very close. Year to date, the high was January, then early March, and we might revisit those highs here around 37, 37, 38. So this might be one of the most important charts in the market right now. I don't know if it follows an exact pattern, but wait for this to peak and then go back. When it's a trough like this, you can see some growth in the market. So I'll keep this chart here for the next few days. And Redbox. Redbox was stock of the day as well. Stock has a very good chart. Let me see. Yeah, the high is around 15. I went all the way down to $1, $2, and it's squeezing back up. Look at, it's a real short squeeze. These days, there's usually, you know, 1 or 2, 3 short squeezes starting from pre-market, and they just squeeze all the way. Let's see if it's the high. It's around $6 right now. Yeah, it just increased all day from $3 yesterday. It opened at $4 and went up $2 more all day. So let's see if it continues Monday, Tuesday. Crazy. I wanted to invest in it with options, but it is not available for options yet. If it was available for options, I'm pretty sure I would have invested yesterday. I kind of had a feeling, I kind of knew. I researched the stock. I felt it would short squeeze, you know, today or Monday or Tuesday. So unfortunately, there is no options available for it. Or else I would have invested in it. But yeah, it did very, very, very well today. We can put it over for Kinder Morgan. Let me just add this to my watch list. 2022 comebacks. RDBX. Okay. Did any of our stocks get green today? We'll see. CWEB, and then Amazon did the worst, minus 14%. These are the 52-week ranges of our stocks, so they're all down except for X, Berkshire, and Kinder Morgan. So yeah, the VIX is probably the most important chart at the moment. Definitely, I would be trading based on that. It is usually on red days the only stock that's green. On green days, it's the only, you know, it's a stock that's red. Let's see the Russell 2000. Okay. Wow, so Russell 2000 did do better than the Nasdaq and S&P. For once, you know. 4 times out of 5, this is doing worse than those two. So for the last, you know, 6 months, so it's doing fine. It's doing bad, but not as bad, which is showing, you know, some improvement for it. Yeah, VIX. See the most traded stocks today. VIX, SPY, Apple, you know, usual. Redbox is worth mentioning. These are, you know, all the same. If you've been here, you've seen that. These have been here the last few days. Intel had earnings yesterday and it's down 7%. Yeah, Nokia is a little bit green today by 2%. not much worth mentioning, but Redbox is definitely the shining light today. Redbox is the shining light, along with the Chinese stocks. Yeah. Let's just speed through this, guys. Not too much to go about today. Bitcoin price. $38,500. Ethereum price. Let's see. 2,800. Waiting for these to go up. These will probably lift the stock market. If these go up to, you know, Bitcoin goes up to 50,000, 60,000. I think it'll lift the market, even though it doesn't really make sense. It's not really connected to the market, but when Bitcoin slumps, the market slumps as well. Go to the commodities. See what action went today. Oil about the same price. Natural gas bounced back. Orange juice. Cattle, so that's, you know, beef and stuff like that. Well, not beef. Beef is right here. And yeah, nothing too much. These are down for a second day. Yesterday as well, these were all down. These 5 right here. You know, 4 or 5 of them. So these might have peaked. Nothing too much to go on with the commodities. You know, it's just a bad day. It's a reversal from yesterday. Yesterday was a fluke, I guess. It had good earnings, but only good enough for a day. Yeah, I mean, not too much to say. It's really about Amazon, Redbox, the VIX, and Chinese stocks did well. Those are the only stocks that went well. I'll show you. Baba, the bottom is 73, so we're off the bottom for sure. Baidu, PDD, 13%, very good, very good. And what is the final one? NTS. There's more. These are off the top of my head. Yeah. Did well today. Yeah, let's just see StockTwits. Hopefully it's not too negative on there. Let's see. If there's anything interesting we can look at. Any conversations? Okay, Amazon, Zyme, Recap, Robinhood. Nothing too crazy. I think Amazon's the whole market looking at Amazon. Yeah. Yeah. Surprise, it is what it is. If you've been looking at the market this year, this is really not much of a surprise. We'll see next week. You know, usually we're going red one day, green the next day, red and green. We're not red for too many days in a row. Maybe 2 days in a row, 3 max, you know. We'll see how Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday go. I would not put my money in unless, you know, Chinese stocks, these short squeeze stocks like Redbox, unless you're shorting the market or if you're buying the VIX or something like that. But these normal stocks are just getting hammered, even if they have good earnings. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see how next week goes. Hopefully, you know, our short squeeze stocks do well, like GameStop, AMC, Mullen, Ethereum, Redbox. Somewhat interesting to watch, yeah. We'll add Redbox to our watch list. And yeah. We'll keep our eye on the VIX. We'll keep this chart here. We'll keep looking at it. We'll keep our eye on gold and silver. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter at Mr. Swisher _. I'll show you right here. There's Jim Cramer tweeting. Mr. Swisher right here. Follow me up. You can see my pinned tweet. It's pretty funny. You check it out. Yeah. Thank you guys. You know, the red days is kind of hard to talk about. There's not too much to talk about other than Amazon earnings. Let's see if there's any earnings. The earnings that happened today. Today is the 29th. So XOM, ExxonMobil, Chevron had earnings. All of them are red regardless, except for Honeywell. They're all red regardless. See what's on Monday, what stocks are having earnings. So Nutrien, Moody's, NXPI, Devon. Okay. Let's check on our earnings whispers again. Friday today. Yeah, most of the earnings were before market today. Let's see. AstraZeneca did well. Philips. It's not as hyped up as yesterday. Let's see what stocks have earnings on Monday. Yeah, we'll see. Thanks guys for tuning in. Follow me on Twitter. I'll be posting again Monday. Red day, green day. Green days is more stuff to talk about. Red days is not my specialty unless you're shorting. Yeah, keep your eye on the VIX. The VIX. If we can do some technicals, you know, once it gets to this 40 range, 38 range, then the market can do well for a few days, in my opinion. So yeah, this is not this is entertainment purposes, not financial advice. You know what I'm saying? I'm just speaking what I would do. You know what I'm saying? Good luck, guys. Hopefully you're not losing a lot of money. Hopefully you're making money. The market hasn't changed too much in the last 6 months, so it's kind of a pattern if you can keep looking at it. Which is basically just stay out and be safe, to be honest. If you're in, just be in for you know, a day for one trade at the perfect time and then get out. Market is not to be trusted right now, so cannot trust the market. Yesterday was up 4%, today's down 4%, and that's a lot. Usually it's like 1%. More than 1.4%, 1.5% is noteworthy, so this is going up and down by 4% at a time, which is crazy. Alright, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.